And this is my towel. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Wonderful.
Comme tous les ans, le soleil deviendra plus froid. Et les nuits tomberont plus bas. Et ne t'en fais pas, l'été reviendra. L'été reviendra.
Alrighty guys, I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna do with this vlog, but I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit about a little weekend away that we're having. You see, I'm at the beach right now, enjoying a nice bit of chill time, and yeah, just document and share a little bit about what I'm getting up to. I'm feeling okay, feeling all right today. I had quite a big session of EMDR yesterday, so every time I'm having that, it's so physical, it's so intensely physical, and the day afterwards, I'm usually fucked, to be honest. It's just, yeah, so draining and so fatiguing. Today been a little bit tired, but nothing crazy. But yeah, enjoying a bit of sun, relaxing at the beach, had a little bit of swim, going for some pizza tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna go into Rimini as well. It's beautiful. I'm super blessed. Like I often say this, I'm so grateful to be in the position where I can do this now. I can do just normal day things, and yeah, it's really wonderful. I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, hope you enjoy the content.
Then play it safe. I've learned to love what the sky can take. I'm not afraid of storms no more. They rattle the roof, they shake the floor. But I've danced in the dark, I've prayed in the dirt, and I found my peace where the thunder hurts. So let the lightning write its name. I'm not afraid of storms again.
Alrighty, on our final day of our little trip to Rimini. Been lovely, to be honest. Yesterday went to watch my partner and her friend do her high rocks, so that was very good fun to watch. They very much smashed it, did a really good job. I still can't lie, I still get a bit of that itch. I've told you guys about this before, where I'm obviously so much improved, I can train again, I'm living a normal life, I'm traveling, doing all these things, but I'm still struggling a bit with the malaise and not being able to do full-blown exercise. So I still get that itch, still get that frustration, but in respect to where I was a little while ago, it's crazy. So super happy with that. I think one of the things and one of the biggest realizations is just appreciating all of those little things, right? So I think for the first 2, 3, 4 years of long COVID, so much was just pushing, constantly frustrated what I couldn't do, constantly seeing other people training, exercising, doing whatever, and feeling that intense frustration. But I think now, just to be at that position where I can enjoy a coffee and enjoy a walk down the beach, enjoy a little swim, a little gentle workout, it's just amazing, and that's just something to really be grateful for. I go back to that quote, it's kind of like happy but hungry. So I'm very much more content with where I am and aware that what I have is a blessing, but then also hungry and that desire to get back to full training, but in a good way, in a constructive and positive way, and training out of curiosity and fun and pleasure, as opposed to trying to kill myself. I think that's something that I only would have learned having this horrendous dip last year after that meditation retreat. So been a big learning, got myself a little bit sunburnt as per usual, but generally been a really lovely trip. And you can see now I'm down at the seafront. We're gonna have to get off plane a little bit. It's raining in the UK, of course it is, so not really looking forward to that, but overall been a lovely time, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it as well. I'm gonna start doing a few more of these kind of lifestyle type things and just share a little bit about what I'm doing, what I'm up to, and also a bit more about a normal day in the life as well, like what exactly I get up to, what I do in terms of recovery and all of these kind of things, what makes me feel good, what makes me feel content, being out in the sun, being in the sea, kind of all those natural things makes me feel a lot better. Yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Enjoy yourselves and stay healthy. All right guys, this is classic Harry organization. Babs obviously has her lovely beach towel extended out. I'm fancying a little lie down on the sand as well. Don't want to get myself too sandy before we go. And this is my towel. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. It's gonna cover all of my arse at least, so that's fantastic. Wonderful.